Kapag foodie lahat ang friends mo, ganito ang mangyayari. Matagal na namin gustong matry itong crazy garlic dahil na rin sa kanilang garlicky approach to their signature dishes. So we took it as a sign nung mabalitaan naming may table for three promo sila. With this promo, you can mix and match from a set list of drinks, appetizers, veggies, fried rice, and viands, which costs less compared to ordering them individually. Buti na lang kasama namin ang ilan sa aming foodie friends para mas marami kaming matikman. Okay, wag nyo nang problemahin na hindi kami divisible by three. May kasama naman kaming
Quack, quack.
malakas kumain eh. Two sets ang in-order namin and having just a fixed list to choose from, it was easier to decide as a group. We also ordered some of their best sellers kasi mukhang masarap eh. Sa price niyang 1,185 pesos per set, I sincerely think this promo is a good deal. The serving size is just right for 3 people, lalo na yung fried rice. Plus, you're getting great food quality. Crazy Garlic serves up dishes that have bits and pieces of familiar flavors from Pinoy cuisine with foreign influences, making it a truly unique dining experience. I was happy with everything we tasted, pero stand out for me itong smoking rice with its distinct smoky tinapa flavor and the crispy pork belly na very crispy on the outside yet tender ang meat. May additional nga lang na 200 pesos para dito. Isa pa lang ang branch ng Crazy Garlic at nandito yan sa One Ayala Mall in Makati at the third floor Alfresco Dining Area. Oh, itag na ang galanting friend para sa next lunch date ha. Like and follow for more.